Everyone, Nova here, welcome back. So, it's officially happening. Kling 3.0 just dropped on Higgsfield. I've been seeing it all over my feed and I've been dying to check it out. Truth is, I'm actually still on the waitlist for early access, but Higgsfield sent over their official media kit examples and honestly, the quality looks way better than I expected. Today I'm going to walk you through the new Kling 3.0 interface so you can see exactly where everything is and how the new features are set up. Before we dive in, Higgsfield is basically a creator-focused platform that hosts a few different AI models specifically for cinematic work. Alright, this is the Higgsfield interface. You can access Kling 3.0 right now if you grab a paid plan, and they're offering 75% off with unlimited Nano Banana Pro included. Just click Video and pick your model. You've got 3 versions now, 3.0 for multi-shots and longer videos, Omni for realistic character performance, and Omni Edit for transforming existing clips. Let's stick with standard 3.0 for now. You've got first and last frame to control exactly how the shot starts and ends. With multi-shot turned off, it's a clean image to video generation. But turn it on, the whole workflow changes. With Kling 3.0, you don't have to manually create a storyboard or generate individual scenes anymore. You just script your shots directly in the prompt, and the AI handles the entire sequence in one go. You can add shots, set the duration for each, and the total can go up to 15 seconds. You can introduce specific elements or create your own characters as a reference. This keeps your subject looking exactly the same across every shot. Down here, you can also tweak your output settings. You've got the standard aspect ratios, 16:9 for cinematic stuff, 9:16 for socials, or 1:1 for square posts. And for quality, you can choose between 720 or jump up to 1080 for that full HD look. Here is the setup for creating an element. Just upload the images here, up to 5 in total, and the AI combines them into one single profile. You can upload a few different angles, like a front view and a side profile, so the AI learns the full character. If they have something specific, like a tattoo or a sword, those can be uploaded as separate references too. The system merges it all together automatically. Then, just give it a name and a super short description, under 100 characters. Keep it simple, just the essentials, and it's good to go. For each shot, just write the prompt and use the @ sign to call the character by name. This is how the AI keeps the look consistent throughout. The duration and other settings are adjusted right here for each clip. Take a look at this example from the media kit. It shows exactly how that consistency holds up across different shots. Switching over to Kling 3.0 Omni. The main difference is that 3.0 focuses on action, while Omni is built for character-driven stories with consistent expressions and voice. Here's the interface. On the left, upload up to 7 images or elements for character reference. Then, write the shots in the prompt and use the @ sign to mention those elements. The key feature is the sound on toggle. Dialogue can be added directly, and Omni handles the lip sync automatically so the character's voice stays matched to the movement. That's it. Upload elements, write scenes with dialogue, and generate. The result is consistent character performance with synchronized voice. It works well for things like testimonials, character ads, or any story-driven content. There is also a Frames tab where a first frame and a last frame can be uploaded. The AI then generates the video transition between them. It's basically an image-to-video feature. And that's it. When I get hands-on access next week, I'm creating a full story with all the assets. I've got tons of ideas and can't wait to show you. Please keep supporting the channel. It means everything. All the Kling 3.0 links are in the description.
Old heads on the bench, eyes sharp, say less. You want shine, young blood, you gotta earn.
Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.